Hi, I'm Ilorsan. So exercise 8.1, 11th sum. In a study about viral fever, the number of people affected in a town were noted as, so two rows has been given. So one is aging years 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. And in the second row, number of people affected. So 3, 5, 16, 18, 12, 7 and 4. So now we have to draw the tabular column for this. So first is age column followed by number of people affected. So I mentioned here as F. So in the previous case, you would have been written like this single values. So like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Whereas in this case, it is like continuous data 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 likewise. So for this case, we have to write the mid value as a third column. So here I mentioned this as X. So now, so X equal to, so what is the first value here? 0 to 10. So that means 0 plus 10 by 2. So X equal to 5. So likewise next one, X equal to, so this 10 to 20. So that means 10 plus 20 by 2. So 30 by 2, X value is 15. So likewise for all the remaining 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So you want to add this and divide it by 2. So now first for the first number 0 to 10, value is 5 followed by 15. So now you see the increment in both values. So 5 and here it is 15. So how much number it is increased? 10. So that means next to this it will be again incremented by 10. So that means 25 and 35, 45, 55 and 65. Either you can calculate in this manner or this is the shortcut method. So you can rapidly increase it by 10. First value alone you have to find out. Why? Because here the class interval lies between is 10 in unit. Okay, now next column is t equal to x minus a by c. So here x value is 5. So x value is 5. So next is a value. So a value means, so totally here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So totally some 7 set of values are there. Either I can take the third value or fourth value. So here I am going to take the third value. So that means this 20 I will be considering it as a value. So a is equal to 20. So a is nothing but assumed mean. So a value is 20, then c value. So now, so what is the mid value here? Here it is 5, then 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and 65. So mid value, so 0 plus 10 by 2. So 10 by 2 is 5. So here I am going to consider this c value as 5. So again we are going to substitute that c value here. So c equal to 5. So now first d equal to x minus a by c. So for this case, so first I have been taken this x value as 5, a value as 20, c value as 5. So substitute these values. So 5 minus 20 by 5. So minus 15 by 5. So answer is minus 3. So write that minus 3 here. So likewise for all the remaining sums also, remaining box also you have to fill in same manner. So minus 3, next minus 1, then 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. You have to follow these steps for this particular numbers. So once if you calculate, you will be getting these values. So next is d square. So once if I square this, so 9, 1, 1, 9, 25, 49, here it is. So next is ft. So f into d value. So here it is d and it is d square. Don't confuse, so while multiplying this is f into d. So next one is f into d square. So that means f into this d square value. So now let us do this f into d. So 3 into minus 3. So minus 9, minus 5, 16. So 2, 162. Sorry. So 18 into 3, 54. So 12 into 5, 60. So 7, 7, 49, 4, 9, 36. So this is your FD value. So next step is FD square. So F into D square. So 27, 5, 16, 162, 300, 343, 4 into 81. So 324. So now you have been multiplied all these values. So this calculation part is over. So now we want to add this f value, followed by fd value, followed by fd square value. So now this is summation f, or you can write it as capital N. Next, this is summation fd. This one is summation fd square. Okay, so now you add this 3, 5, 16, 18, 12, 7 and 4. So once if you add all these numbers, you will be getting 65. So followed by fd. So f and t. So once if you add this and subtract, you will be getting 201. So next followed by fd square. So 27, 5, 16, 162, 300, 343, 324. So once if you add this, you will be getting 117 and 7. So this is your summation fd square. So you don't have space here, so that's why I specified here. You just draw the box a little bit big so that you can write the summation fd square here. Okay. So now, so what are all the values which is required for the formula has been calculated. Now let us write the formula. So sigma equal to root of summation fd square by n minus summation fd by n the whole square. Okay, so this previously one problem you have been written for this also, you wrote the same formula. What is the difference between that and this is continuous data. So continuous data means you want to multiply this formula with c. So c value is nothing but 5 summation fd square. So what is summation fd square value? 1177. Next, capital N. So capital N value is 65. So now you substitute in the formula. So summation fd square by n 1177 by 65 minus summation fd. So summation fd value is 201. So minus 201 by 65 the whole square. So what are the values we required? You have been written here. So keep this 5. Now 1177 by 65. So you have to take the LCM and you have to do the calculations. So 65. So 4225. So now 65. So I'll be getting 76505 minus 40401. So this is LCM method. So you can multiply this term and you can write, or you can take this 65 as a common term and you can do it in that particular step also. So now 5 into, so once after subtracting you will be getting one value. So that value you want to divide it. So 8.54. So 5 into root 8.54. So 5 into, so what is the square root of this is 2.92. So finally sigma value is 14.6. Okay, your worksheet, today's worksheet, you want to do this LCM and post it in the WhatsApp group. So followed by this, I will be giving another problem. You have to solve that. Thank you.